So we are looking at a new cable today. And honestly, you know what? This looks like it could be one of those cables that you and I could have possibly last us a long time, right? Here you go. Just a nice little cable right there. And this is the actual InnoCable, which is a Thunderbolt 5 compatible cable that pretty much claims to do. I'll list them off here for you because that's kind of important, right? 240 watts of fast charging right there, 80 gigs data transfer. It can support upwards of a 16K display. It does have this, and I love this, right? See this? This is one of my favorite things. I love these on all cables nowadays. It has a magnetic self-coiling, which I just think is super cool. And it does come, at least mine did. I don't know if it's something that's going to come with all the Kickstarter, because it is a Kickstarter campaign. It does come with like a little hard case, yes? Which, you know what? That's cool. I like it. And as you can see here, right? Not that it's specifically designed for the cable, but the cable fits. Even in this coiled state, it's tight, but it fits. So, you know what? That's cool, right? That's cool. So again, this is a Kickstarter. So just realize what you're getting yourself into if you want to do this. But I think it's cool, right? For as far as the cable is. So first impressions of the cable, because it came in a bag, right? I'm getting it early. It is what it is. Let's talk about the kind of different kind of parts of the package that I got. Of course, you're gonna have the cable itself, right? Which is lovely. You're gonna get that hard case, which is lovely. And you are gonna get a 24-month warranty on it. So let's look at these pieces. So first off, we do have the cable itself, right? So right away, this cable does feel solid. I'll just bring it up a little bit, right? It's a solid cable without question. And a nylon braided jacket, which is great for durability. It does have zinc alloy connectors, which would help for the performance being like longer lasting. And watch this, of course, because I can't do this enough, right? It's an accordion meets a slinky. That's what it is, right? So if you're bored and you're like, look at me doing this, right? Same, you guys, yes, right? Just sit on your desk. So good. I think that's just the most awesome thing. And it's not as if that's new. Cables have been doing that, or at least some cables have been doing that for a while. But I love the fact that they did it in this one because I think that's just amazing. Anyways, let's talk about some of the performance of this. Um, so this can transfer about 100 gigs of data, and they say about 6.5 seconds. Okay, they say 6.7 seconds to me, a little specific, so we'll say it's between 6 and 7 seconds. And that's because again, it has this 80 gigs, or has the ability to do 80 gigs of bi-directional bandwidth. Now it has a feature in it called bandwidth boost that actually can give you up to 120 gigs in one direction. So it's no longer bi-directional if it's sending data just one way, 120 gigs. So again, for content creators like myself, or anybody really that's sending large amount of files, this is gonna not make you sit there and watch that silly progress bar as your files are moving, because we all love that so much. We don't love it. That's right. So next on the list, we've talked about the actual data transfer, which is really important. Let's be honest, especially if that's the reason you're buying a Thunderbolt 5 cable. But charging, this is a 240 watt compatible power delivery cable. So again, that's enough to power a MacBook Pro or charge a MacBook Pro, 16-inch. They say to about 56% in about 30 minutes. Or you could power a gaming laptop while you're rendering video or streaming in 4K. So you wouldn't have any throttling, right? Which would be great. So little things to think about. So this is going to be, of course, perfect for mobile professionals, streamers, students, anybody that really is like, you know what, 30 minutes is all I got. I'm on lunch, on my break. I got to charge this back up so that I can take it wherever. Go to the next class, hop on an airplane. Doesn't matter. You got 30 minutes. You can get 56%. So if the battery's above that, right up to 100%. That's great. The other thing with this is cool, and I'm someone that would definitely use this because, again, as you can see behind me, I got monitors all over the place. I use dual displays on multiple machines. This has the ability to run three 4K displays at 144 hertz. It has the ability to do dual 8K displays. And if you are rocking the fancy monitor that can push 16Ks, you can get a single 16K display at 60 hertz. So I was thinking 16K, cool, but it would be 24 or 30 hertz. But no, up to 60 hertz. So that's excellent. This doesn't come without any kind of tech in it, right? So there is some tech. So first off, standard cables will be using what's called twisted pairs. And usually what happens is over longer lengths, the cable's performance starts to kind of degrade or break down. This one actually uses a coaxial cable or cable tech, which gives you better shielding, lower signal loss, and almost zero crosstalk. Now, of course, that's a lot of tech stuff, terms, right? But it makes it better, is what it does. It makes it better. And really, you're seeing that a lot of Thunderbolt cables, you can only get them at certain lengths, right? They only come maybe up to a meter, because again, during that longer stretch, they start to degrade. But this one, 1.5 meters, so nice and long, almost twice as long as some other cables, with better performance, which is great. Last kind of thing that I want to talk about is, again, it's backward compatible. So if you are someone that has Thunderbolt 3 products, Thunderbolt 4 devices, you're going to be able to get the maximum throughput of those. If you have a product that is USB-C 4, again, needs to be that USB-C, then you're going to get maximum throughput of those. So you're definitely looking at full speed. Again, you may not get the full speed that this cable is, but the cable itself won't be the bottleneck. The bottleneck, of course, will be the product. So let's just gonna do a little overview of these specs. 80 gigs bidirectional, 240 watts of charging, again, based on the fact that you have a product that can do quick charge 4, or you have a product that does PD 3.1. It can support all the way up to a 16K display, which is fantastic. I'll do it because I love it. It has this self-coiling magnetic design, which is awesome. It has that coaxial technology in it to get those high speeds. I do love that it is rugged and nylon and zinc for the actual build and for the actual ports on the back. And as a lovely added bonus, again, at least I did, I don't know, because their Kickstarter campaign hasn't officially launched when I'm doing this video, but it will be available now because we're launching at the same time. Anyways, you get this case, right? Which is cool. Cool little case. Why not? And last but not least, 2-year warranty. So does everybody need this cable? Well, no, not everybody needs this cable. If you have a computer that's 8 years old, then you don't need this cable probably, right? I get it, right? But if you are someone like myself that likes to stay up to date with tech, you have a lot of products, you have, Thunderbolt 3 products, you have USB 4 products, you have some Thunderbolt 5 products, then this actually is a great option because, again, with that backwards compatibility, I know that this cable is going to be able to plug my whatever into my MacBook Pro, which has Thunderbolt 5. I know it's going to be able to plug into my Mac Studio, which has Thunderbolt 4. I know that it's going to have, as long as we have anything kind of in that range, we should be good. Anyways, I will send you guys, I'm not sending you anywhere. I'll put the link down below to where you guys can actually see this. Again, it is on Kickstarter, but I do have a special link. I don't know if it gives you something extra. I think it does, possibly. And extra is good. And that's it. I think it's a great little cable. I'm going to take it with me. And that's all. Links to their Kickstarter below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.